Okay, so today we're just on a chase after a tractor man who did not have his lights on in his car, which is illegal, and he hurt a kid. So yeah, hurry, we're gonna go stop the tractor, the guy. Hurry!
Almost, but my dad, we almost hit you.
Oh yeah, so I wanna see him really quickly.
There's a party?
Lorenzo!
You didn't catch that fool?
Lorenzo, where did he go? What did he do? He kept going faster?
Yeah.
He saw you?
Yeah.
He went faster?
Yeah.
I think what gonna do?
I was gonna tell him.
Hey, ¿sí te miró, güey?
Yeah.
¿Y qué te dijo?
Nomás se hizo más rápido.
¿Eh?
Más rápido.
¿Le dimos rápido?
So what they're saying right now is he was chasing him down that way, and
¿Dónde anda el güey? Va a venir por aquí.
he kept going, and he was telling him to stop, and he was going
Look,
faster.
he runs fast. We're gonna go with him. Let's go.
We're going to go with him. That looks scary as fuck, niggas. This is scary as fuck, nigga. So we're have light now.
Where is he?
That way.
Where?
He went that way.
Car, huh?
Oh, he's gonna take a break. Already over there. So yeah. Oh, the fuck. Oh, I saw something. Oh fuck. Oh shit.
Just gotta count like this. 4, 4, 4.
Is that a tractor? No. Tell the car. We just went out that way. Fue para allá.
Sí, ya.
Le fue para allá.
Se fue para allá.
Sabía que le íbamos a decir algo, ¿ah?
Ey,
¿Verdad que sí?
ey.
Oye, pero qué hijos.
Oye, ¿para dónde se fue? Nomás se fue para allá, para arriba y para abajo.
Y luego que ya.
Y acá nomás. Esos son de... Está haciendo de güey. La neta.
No, ya no. ¿No tienen hambre, chiquillos?
Nope.
¿Eh?
So yeah, we're just
Dude, I
gonna
don't
end
even
this
run that fast.
video.
Do I run fast?
Yeah,
Heck no.
hella fast. So yeah, we're just gonna end the video here. Make sure to like. So hey, Lento.
Huh.
Make sure to like,
Us
subscribe,
on YouTube. Subscribe us on YouTube.
and subscribe.
We appreciate
And-
the subscription.
And make sure to turn on your post notifications on. And if we see him again, we'll probably do a part 2 of chasing the tractor guy down. So yeah, we're gonna do a part 2. And if we see him, it's probably gonna be tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow we're probably gonna do a video. So yeah, I'll just make another video tomorrow if we see him, but I don't know if we see him, but hope we do.
You didn't want to stop, you kept going faster. And I ran a little bit over. Go, gritando. ¡Hey! No va a oír. Tenía la pinche ventana para abajo.
So yeah, like I said again, So tomorrow we're gonna make part 2. Or if not, then if we find them, then we'll just make that. So thanks for watching. And yeah. Peace.